Google Sheet take the lead. So update make it better than ever. So here, the new era of Google Sheet, more than just a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is enhanced real-time collaboration, experience seamless teamwork with AI-driven smart suggestions and formula assistance, elevating productivity beyond traditional spreadsheet capabilities, and seamless Google workspace integration and customizable automation and AI workflows. So leverage built-in apps, scripts, and AI workflows to automate complex tasks significantly, reducing the need for costly third-party platforms and custom development. Why Google just outspaced Monday.com in work management? So, because granular data manipulation, while Monday.com excels in project boards, it cannot match the profound data manipulation, power, and flexibility of Google Sheets, and dynamic dashboards and integrative charts. So Google Sheets now boosts dynamic dashboard and interactive charts that stands shoulder to shoulder with Monday.com's visual tools, offering powerful data visualization, and it has advanced AI for data insight. Sheets advanced AI features automated data cleaning, forecasting, and insight instruction, providing a data centric approach for beyond Monday.com task focused AI. Real world impact, team switching to Google Sheets, marketing agency success, a 40% project update time, and a finance teams optimize costs. Financial departments are increasingly utilize Sheets and continuous evolution and cost efficiency. Google commitment to continuous update ensures Sheets evolves rapidly, offering powerful features at no extra cost, unlike Monday.com's premier features model. Conclusion, Google Sheets, the smarter, more flexible work platform. Google Sheets has transcended its origins, evolving into powerful, integrated work platform. It now masterfully combines spreadsheet capabilities, AI automation, and seamless collaboration, all within an unfilled environment. So outperform competitors like Monday.com and offers unparalleled adaptability and intelligence, making it leading choice for modern work management. And the future productivity lies in intelligent, adaptable spreadsheet, and Google Sheets is the at the front run of this transformation. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns when you're talking about why Google Sheet is much better than Monday.com, you can type it in the comment section below, or you can share your opinion here at How to Rock It, guys. And thank you, guys.